Is it recording? Yes, it is. I'm just going right off the top of the dome here to say hello. How are you guys? You know, I'm Dominique. This is my beautiful lover, Aaron. Aaron. We're just out here in nature. It is beautiful out here. It's a little chilly, but it's not raining. It's not snowing. And we're okay. We're warming each other up. I'm really excited about this YouTube channel, and I want to keep this video for when me and my babe here
become so dirty. She stay touching my face.
Become famous and go viral, because it will happen. You see, we believe in the law of attraction. We honestly believe that we can manifest whatever our heart desires, as long as we stay positive and believe, and set intentions for the day, throughout the day and night, before we go to bed. Meditate on it, what we want. It will come into existence. You just gotta speak it into existence. You just gotta be positive. You just gotta use the right choice of words. That's it.
Yeah, that's why when I ain't got nothing to say, I don't say nothing.
Yeah. For example, a very small example. You know how some people say, man, I wish I had that car. I don't have that car. I'm probably never going to get that car.
I want that car.
I want that car. I'm too broke to buy that car. And then they stress out about it. They're just stressing, crying, sighing, dying inside. Like, wow.
Stress can turn into jealousy, being mad because somebody else got it and you don't have it. It's a stressor that kills your vibes, kills all your good vibes, all of them dead.
Yes, and with manifestation, it's all about having good vibes. It's all about feeling good, So when you say stuff like that, the universe is looking at you like, okay, you are too broke to get that car. I have a flower. My baby gave me a flower. I gotta wear it. You are too broke to receive that car. You're not gonna get that car. Keep wishing, because that car's not gonna come to you. Sorry, you're gonna have to stick with that hoopty, right? But when you speak positive about something you want, and you talk about it as if you already have it, these are examples that you can use. I choose to be happy and feel good about the car that I am going to get. I am going to get that awesome car. I don't have the car yet, but I intend to work hard towards getting the car. The car is in my reach. I'm just waiting to be inside of it. I will have all the money to receive that car. Something like that. Just, you see how it's just kind of like more, not even kind of, it's just totally more positive than just being negative about it. So that goes with clothes, money, cars, houses, relationships, good grades, an awesome birthday party. Whatever you want, think about it like this. What's the point of being sad and depressed about something when you can just be happy about it? I know that sounds really crazy, but it's as simple as feeling good and thinking about something that really makes you feel good, to feel more good. And then just start saying, I'm going to get that car. I'm going to get that house. I already know, because I'm a badass, you know? I can do anything. I'm amazing. There are no limits. It is not impossible for me to receive that car. I may not be a millionaire, a billionaire, a trillionaire, a gazillionaire at this moment.
At this moment.
But that's at this moment. You know, never say never. Nothing is impossible. Flying isn't even impossible. So, think about things that make you feel good. Surround yourself with people that make you feel good and make you think positive. Okay? Be around that positive energy, those positive vibrations, the high frequency. And in those moments when you feel really good, be like, damn, I already know that I'm going to get that car. I'm just, just going to keep praying. I'm going to keep meditating, because that's very important, until I get what I want. What I have already. It's just not with me at this moment, but it's still here. It's in my reach. Anything and everything I want is in my reach. My glasses are just like, they keep going back. So, I encourage you guys to read this book called The Secret by Rhonda. I think her last name is pronounced. I don't want to butcher it, but it's called The Secret. It's like a really cool book with this like red circle thing in the title. And it talks all about I am affirmations, setting intentions, manifestation, the law of attraction, the universal law of attraction, and how God / the universe can and will give you any and everything you want. Because at the end of the day, we are the universe. And we are a part of God. We are a part of this universe. We are made from stardust, for Christ's sake. For Buddha's sake. For Albert Einstein's sake. So with that being said, you can do anything. You can have anything. You just have to believe it. Sounds like bullshit, but it's not. I manifested my beautiful wife right here. My lover. My twin flame. Look up twin flames. Isn't she gorgeous? This right here is inspiration, motivation, physical and spiritual encouragement that I can do anything that I set my mind to. That's all for now, folks. Namaste.